Hey guys, welcome to my Chancellor's Helpmate. So in this video I want to share with you what is in my conference bag. So I went for a conference and this is the bag I was given. I love the bag so much. I love the African print. And the first thing inside the bag is a calendar, guys. So this calendar is a 2024 and 2025 calendar, and it looks really nice. I like the coloring, and I like how thick it is, since I'm going to be using it till next year for 2 years. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you what is in the bag again. So this is our jotter. So inside the bag it came with a jotter for us to write. Okay, and then this is the program for the 3 days I stayed at the conference. Okay, we were lodged. I was all expense paid, travel, our transportation was covered. This is my tag that has my name and my school for easy movement, and then we're given a writing pen to write, and also we're given meal tickets. Okay, so it's for us to get our meal. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe.